What's up, everybody? That's Investing Sensei here to bring you version 2 of the Dividend script in Google Sheets. So I finally got around to fixing those bugs that we found from the version 1, as well as I added some of the features that you guys were asking me in the comment section. So if you guys find any new cool ideas, be sure to leave them in the comment section so I can try to work them in and make another video with those new features added. But anyways, let's get started. So right here, guys, I do have a copy of my dividend script in a Google Sheet that I have as an example. So this is the full new version of it. I'm going to run it. So one of the couple things I did change. So remember that there was a bug where you had to put BTI as a workaround right now. So I did fix that issue. Now you're able to just put your full portfolio ticker on there without having to worry about that workaround. So that's included in the new update, as well as the payouts, the annual payouts. Before with version 1, they were not being calculated correctly. It was all being multiplied by 4, which meant it was a quarterly stock. So for example, relative income here, it would not calculate the correct annual payout because relative income pays 12 times, so they pay monthly. So now it's actually going to calculate it correctly. So the annual payouts for the version 2 are correct. It does semi-annual, annual, and quarterly, and then monthly as well. So those are the ones that I addressed in there. The other thing that I did want to look into, but I did not get a chance to, is showing here the decrease value. If a stock, for example, Simon Properties did do a dividend cut, so it would be nice if we could get a little message here saying that, hey, your dividend decreased by this amount. Another example would have been like Wells Fargo, which they cut the dividend by 80%. So I am going to add that. Another one that I did get a request that I didn't get a chance to add was adding the sector for the tickers. So I am going to work on that one. Thanks for leaving that comment. So yeah, guys, if you have any more ideas, be sure to drop them down. There was one other request that I did get as well, as if I could import the M1 portfolio information into the Google Sheets. I was looking into that. It's a little bit more complicated because of authentication issues. But we'll see what we can find out and what we can do. But let me kick it off, guys. So just for anybody that's brand new, you'll go up here. You'll see a button called Dividend Tools, Get Upcoming Dividends. And so you'll see it all populate. One of the things here on the tab on the very bottom, one of the requests that I got was if I could get the latest dividend for every single ticker in your portfolio that does pay a dividend. So now you can see that all of them at least declare, at least have the last declared dividend. So that's pretty cool. Now you guys can use that information however you want to. And like, for example, Sitter Fair, they're not really paying out a dividend anymore, but at least you can see the last time they did pay it out. And you guys can use that information however you want. So that was one of the requests. The script is doing that now. But anyways, let's go ahead and show you how you can update to this latest version. So if you are brand new to this, be sure to check out the video for the version 1. I basically walk you through everything setting it up. This video is more assuming that you already have version 1 running. And I'm just going to show you guys how to update to version 2. So be sure to check it out. I'll add a pop-up on the top right. Check it out. Come back to this video once you do that, and then you'll see it's super easy. And if you guys want to see more of these type of videos, be sure to drop a like on the video just so that I'm aware that you guys like these, and that'll show me that I need to try to create more of these type of content videos. And as well, you can leave them in the comment section. Just drop down some ideas what you guys would like to see, and I'll get around to making those for you. And as well, if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when we upload a new video. But anyways, guys, so I am going to link a lot of the information in the video description. So the first step here is we are going to have to go back to GitHub. So I will leave that link in the video description, and I am going to pull it up here. So probably what I'm going to do is I'll link you exactly to the version of the commit. So just in case you're here, you'll see Coding Sensei, get upcoming dividends, and then you should see 4 commits, but you know, it depends on when you're watching this video. But you'll click on 4 commits. You'll want to find the one that says commits July 22nd, 2020. Look for this commit message. All dividends, enable all dividends, and then fix null object bugs. But the main important thing is that you'll want to click this one. And what this allows us to do is browse the repository, that code at that point in time. So you'll click on this, and then you'll be able to see it at that point in time. Because, you know, depending on when you watch it again, I could have more commits by then, and then it could get confusing. But a couple of things that I did change was some of the queries. So we'll go walk you through that. And the main important thing here is the JavaScript file. So you'll click on get my dividends.javascript. And then here you'll see the code. So you'll click raw. And then at this point, you will just do Control A, and then you will just copy it. Or you can right click, copy. And then we're going to go back to the spreadsheet. And so I am going to pull up the one from last time. So this one has version 1 of the script. So you can see the latest dividends. It's not showing all of them for us. And just so I can show you guys here, we'll add one that'll break. So let's go ahead and just delete BTI. And I'm going to run it real quick so you can see that we get those errors that you would have seen with version 1. So there's that error. We're going to add version 2, which has the fix in. And we're going to go over here to, I believe it's Tools, Script Editor. And what you're going to do here is we already have this code copied. So we are going to start at the very, so you're going to leave these 3 lines. You know, you already followed it. You're in version 1. Leave these 3 by themselves alone. Select everything underneath them though, and then just scroll all the way to the very bottom and then delete everything there. So all you should see is the 3 lines, the spreadsheet ID, ticker sheet name, and dividend sheet name. That's all you should have. Go ahead and right click and then paste as plain text. And then scroll to the very top. And so since we already have everything populated and we didn't delete these, we're just going to delete the ones that we copied from GitHub. So delete that, and then from here we're gonna save it, and we're gonna go back to the spreadsheet, and I believe that we can actually close the script. So here we're gonna dismiss this, and one of the things that we're gonna do is we're going to go back to the dashboard where we have these queries, and we are going to go back to GitHub real quick. So I'm going to go to the backspace, and we are going to go back again. So the important thing that you want to check is that it doesn't say master. It says these numbers. This is just the commit history so that you know that you're at that point in time that we have this commit. So we're going to go to the bottom. One of the things that did change, so you're going to copy this one right here, sorted by pay date. Copy this, right click. Click copy, go back to the sheet, and then you are going to actually go to the second one. So the first one's gonna get the headers. This one right here is the one you're gonna replace. So you're just gonna paste it, and then at this point you already entered it. We are going to here color it. Well, not color, but reset. And then we are going to go to GitHub, copy the next query, because these did change. So the way that these queries work now is that, so I'm going to actually go here real quick. We're going to delete this, and then we're going to paste this, and we're going to just get rid of that color. But the way that these queries are going to work now is that whenever you open up the spreadsheet, it'll automatically grab whatever date you're on, and it'll show the next upcoming dividends for you. Because remember, the latest dividends, this tab here is going to have all the dividends for your tickers, even if they're not upcoming. So I think we're ready. Let's see what happens. Let's click dividend tools, get upcoming dividends, and see what we broke. Looks like it's working. And so you'll see now that this actually is working. So we go back to latest dividends. So one of the ones that I just want to point out, 3M. 3M has not declared a dividend for this coming up quarter. The last one they did was May 21st, and they paid out June 12th. They are going to be declaring one in August, so hopefully we'll get that when it comes up. So I typically run these scripts once a week, but you know, it's actually going to get all of these. One of the other ones, let's say ticker here. Let's just add Sitter Fair, which, you know, they suspended the dividend, or Boeing as well. And let's run the script. You'll see that even though these companies are not paying them anymore, we'll at least collect the information for the last time they did pay out. So see now Boeing, you'll see that they last time they paid out was February, Sitter Fair March. So that's actually version 2, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and you guys add this to your spreadsheet, make it a little bit more flexible. If you guys find any issues, let me know in the comment section. I'll make another video update with those fixes, and drop down any ideas that you guys want to see. So thanks so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit the like button. Share this out with anybody that you think will find value in this. And as well, be sure to be subscribed so that you guys know when I upload some more videos. So I will catch you guys in the portfolio update on Sunday. So the giveaway is ending, so be sure to check that out. I'll add a pop-up on the top right if you guys want to check it out. There's an Easter egg. 2 people have found it so far, so they're going to enter a contest for $30 Amazon gift cards. So it's pretty exciting, guys. So thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys. Bye.